Page 191, Glory to God. This is an example of a score for three-part vocal music. It tells you the parts at the beginning of each staff, the soprano, alto, and tenor. Notice the music for tenors is written in treble clef, and they simply take it down an octave. So they're not going to sing it up here, they're going to sing it down here. So when you play it, you need to play it where they sing it. The idea is you have three groups. It could be an ensemble or it could be a trio, whatever. And they're singing these things. So you need to know all the parts. It's two sharps. We're in the key of D major, I think. This is just a piece of it. So I'm guessing that's it. Common time or 4/4 time is. I thought that sounded familiar, sort of, because it's part of the Messiah. I used to direct choral music a long time ago, and each Easter we would do portions of the Messiah. We couldn't do the whole thing because it's rather difficult music, and we didn't know it all. But we did what we could do, and you get this. They seem to enjoy it. Anyway, the altos then is here. Then the tenor, I'm going to do with the left hand, bring it down here. Yep, now it's fun singing those high notes in tenor, because I sang tenor in choir, and that's what we did. Then you try the different combinations together and see what they sound like. Take the sopranos and altos here. I'm going to play them in one hand because when I go to do the tenors, I'm going to use my left hand for that. So it's here. You have to slow it down. That's fine. That's just, I just want to hear the harmony here. How they go together. And here. The harmony. Now let's try the tenor, the soprano, and the tenors and see what that is. See, this is a bit of a challenge because the staves are actually so far apart, and you have to read both staves. So take your time. Then down here. Number up here. The tenors come up here now. So I tend to want to suddenly read tenors and bass clef. They're at the end, and so rather than here, I want to read bass clef. No, you got to stay in treble clef now. Then try, I don't know, the tenors and altos. I don't know what to begin from. It's good practice in reading music. It's like sight reading music or reading music. The more you read the music, the better you'll get at it, because reading music is a skill. So the more you practice it, the better you get. Then try doing all of them. Well, take out nice and slow here. Just, I want to hear the harmony. You hear? Then here. And here. Second line, or measure 5, we're here. Then here. Then here. The tenors and soprano or altos singing the same note at the end. So you get an idea, and again, the more you read this kind of music, the better you'll get at it. Just do it. Just read music. At least we didn't have to transpose anything. Huh?